Hi, my name is Carlos Martinez. I'm a program manager.
My name is Rocio Lopez. I'm a coding specialist at Veris Manufacturing.
Well, my name is Eduardo Orozco. I'm a test technician.
My name is Jesus Urastegui. I am the SMT technician.
I've had the pleasure to work at Veris for almost 2 years.
I've been here at Veris for 9 years, just about 9 years.
I've been working at Veris for 4 years.
I've had the pleasure of working at Veris for 3 years and 5 months.
Being open to change is knowing that there's other opportunities out there. It's okay to try new things.
Changes need to be done, then they need to be done. You have to be willing to do it.
Openness to change, growing and knowledge.
Getting out of my comfort zone when it comes to anything from a professional to my personal life. I like to challenge myself more than anything.
So I was given an opportunity to lead the program manager meeting. That took me out of my comfort zone, but I took it and I've learned so much from it. So I'm excited for change.
Probably when I was still an operator, running the lines, just constantly changing. But if there's other ways to improve, I'm more than willing to do it.
Well, coming from my test department, I have to be open to change constantly. When it comes to troubleshooting, we have to be open to new ways on fixing.
The first person that came to mind as somebody open to change is Tara Mendez. She used to be my supervisor in the coding department and is now working in document control. We've done a complete 180 on her career.
I think change is not just adapting to change, but being open to other ideas. So Brian's really good about, hey, why don't we try this? Or why don't we do this instead? So just getting that feedback as far as changing things has been really great.